Question. Let's start. Which pool penguin is different from the others? Answer B. Question. Think you can spot the snowman that is the odd one out? Answer C. Question. Ho ho ho. Which picture is different? Answer C. Question. Can you figure out which reindeer is different? Answer B. Question. Which colorful arrangement of Christmas hats is the odd one out? Answer B. The next question has total 5 versions. Version 1. Question. Can you figure out which present is the heaviest? Answer A. Version 2. Question. Can you figure out which present is the lightest? Answer D. Version 3. Question. Can you spot the odd one out? Answer C. Version 4. Question. Can you spot the odd one out? Answer D. Version 5. Question. Can you spot the odd one out? Answer B. Question. Which picture is different from the others? Answer C. The next question has total 3 versions. Version 1. Question. Take a look at the gingerbread cookies. Think you can figure out which picture is different? Answer B. Version 2. Answer C. Version 3. Answer D. The next question has total 2 versions. Version 1. Question. Which 2 Christmas trees are identical? Answer 1 and 5. Version 2. Question. Which 2 Christmas trees are identical? Answer 3 and 4. The next question has total 4 versions. Now please listen to me. If you are doing the regional version of this quiz, then you need to see just the version 4 of this question. Version 1. Question. Which 2 gifts are identical? Answer 1 and 3. Version 2. Question. Which 2 gifts are identical? Answer 3 and 4. Version 3. Question. Which 2 gifts are identical? Answer 3 and 5. Version 4. If you find the same gifts at the position of 4 and 7, then the correct answer will be 3 and 5. Don't click 4 and 7. The next question has total 3 versions. First, you need to see the horns of the reindeer. Then you need to see the ears of the reindeer. And at last you need to check the tail of the reindeer. Version 1. Question. Think you can figure out which silhouette matches exactly with the reindeer on the left? Answer A. Version 2. Answer B. Version 3. Answer C. The next question has total 3 versions. For this question, you have to check first the gift ribbon of the Santa, then you need to check the shoes of the Santa, then at last you need to check the ball on the hat of the Santa. Version 1. Question: take a close look here. Which silhouette matches exactly with the image of Santa on the left? Answer A. Version 2. Answer B. Version 3. Answer C. The next question has total 3 versions. For this question, you have to check these 4 parts. Version 1. Question: which silhouette matches exactly with the collection of toys on the left? Answer A. Version 2. Answer B. Version 3. Answer D. Question: which delicious Christmas treat is not in the image? Answer D. Question: click play to watch the video and identify which 2 snowflakes are exactly the same. Answer D.